Hey everyone, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care, and today we are going to go over what is the cost of a professional dock lighting install. And there's a bunch that goes into this, right? There are different materials. There's your transformers, there's all of your wiring, there's all of your waterproofing pieces, and there's that installation in general for your dock. And our whole goal here is to install a product that is going to last a long time, that you're really going to get to enjoy. And so a little bit before we can talk about the actual cost, we have to talk a little bit about what our installs look like. So this is going to mean we have sconces that we put on the different pillars on your dock. Typically every pillar or every other pillar lighting into the dock area so the dock is well lit. It makes it more usable, it adds safety, it adds a really cool ambiance as well. All of these fixtures, we can either have ones that just have a diffuser on the front, that type of sconce, or up-down sconces. They all have multiple colors. It's an RGB fixture where you can change it through a whole different color spectrum to really tune it into what you want. One of our installs on a dock, I loved this particular client of ours. She loved teal. Teal was her color. It was in the house. It was on furniture. It was kind of worked into everything. It was on the lanai area, and on the dock, she had it set to where all the lights were a matching teal, so it matched the whole scheme of everything else. And I just thought that was so cool that someone was able to personalize that to fit that scheme that they really like, while keeping another color like true white, just to make it where we need to see everything. It needs to be perfect, like we're cleaning up from coming back from fishing or whatever the case may be. We just want to be able to see really well. We can flip it to that too, just from a click on our phone. So that's one of the things that I really love. And these systems do allow you to have a remote that kind of resembles like a Fire Stick or a Roku remote. Then you also have a Wi-Fi controller, as long as you have good Wi-Fi signal that will reach to that controller, so you can operate all of this from an app on your phone, which the app on the phone does have a better color spectrum to pick from. It's a little more exact and allows you to set things a little bit easier than just on the remote. So that's everything that kind of goes into this and what it can do. And now the price range is obviously going to vary. Some people have a small dock. Some people's docks are huge, and we can work in all kinds of different lights and fixtures all throughout their dock. And the limits, it's almost limitless on what we could install. So typically you're going to see a dock lighting project be anywhere from $3,500 to $10,000, really depending on how in-depth it gets. Now, could that go higher? Yes, it could go much higher, because people could light infinite distances of docks, and it all is really based on how many fixtures we're putting in and how much labor it takes to do that. And then also, could it go lower? There is some chance for it to go lower, but it'd have to be a very minor install, because there is a lot of setup and a lot of waterproofing and a lot of things to ensure that the job is done right, so you get years of enjoyment out of this product. Professional dock lighting, that gives you a little idea of what we can do, what is included in it, and then what that costs. So if you would like to see all about that service, understand that a little bit more, and get even more information, we'd love to have a member of our team come out and meet you, go over all of your needs, and make sure we get the perfect product just for you.